All right, guys. So I want to talk to you about issues that a lot of users are having with YouTube, and that is when, let me back out of here, go home. When you're on YouTube and your thumbnails don't load. So obviously, I have all the thumbnails. I unlocked every PlayStation. And what the issue normally is a DNS issue or a RAM issue. And to fix both of those issues, what you're going to need to do is, one, if you haven't restarted your TV or your device, I'm watching this on a Chromecast, do that now. Okay. So for the Chromecast to restart it, I would go up to settings, I believe. All settings, system, and restart. Okay. Now, whatever device or TV you're using, it's going to be obviously a different process, but find the restart option, restart the TV, and kind of let it chill for a little bit. Okay. It's going to help all the electrical buildup on the TV or the device. It's going to dissipate that, and that's going to help with a little bit of the RAM or just issues, right? If something's on for too long, it just starts to develop some issues. Now, you're also going to want to clear the cache. Now, to clear the cache, again, I'm on a Google Chromecast, but I'm going to go to settings. And on this one, we're going to go to apps. I'm going to see all my apps, and then we'll scroll all the way down until YouTube. And then I'll come down onto the clear cache app. I literally just cleared the cache, so it's not very big. And clear data. Now, this is a little bit more, not permanent, but it's going to remove all of your data from the TV. So you'll have to sign back in. So we'll start with clearing the cache, and then kind of a last ditch effort would be to clear the data here if we're having issues. Now, if it's a DNS issue, the problem isn't going to be here. It's actually going to be on your router. So what you would need to do is go and reset your network or reset your router. And what that's going to do, it's going to help reboot the DNS. DNS is what allows your devices to pull, for instance, the videos and the images from whatever source they are. So if there's an issue with DNS, it's likely that you could be having issues with your thumbnails here. So I know that was a lot. Hopefully it made sense and I'm not just rambling, but I hope this helps with your issue. And if it does, if you could, like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.